Starboard bow, what is happening? I'm down here at Capistrano Beach between Los Angeles and San Diego in the day use area. What a beautiful place. Got the ocean right behind me. It's a beautiful day. Everybody's driving their bikes around. We got a bunch of palm trees around here. A bunch of people hanging out on the beach. You got buses, you got RVs, you got motorhomes, you got vans, you got overlanders, you got van dwellers, you got everybody. So what a good time. This Rattan LM750 from Rattan. They sent it to me, asking me to do a product review with it. This way I can show you guys what it takes to get one of these e-bikes in the mail. A lot of times you'll get a big old e-bike like this in the mail. You send it to the shop, pay a couple $100 to put it together. Might not be necessary. All these van dwellers, all these RV guys around me, they all can use a RV. They all can use an electric bike just like this. This thing folds up, put it in your car. So let's go ahead and break open the box, see what we can do, and we'll get back to you. Boom. Simple, no problem so far. Open it up. Definitely looks like it's been shaking around a lot. This is what you'll see when you open it up. Guys, it's already put together. You got the battery right here, but there it is. Lithium-ion model. Order a couple of these batteries so you have one while you're riding around in case your battery dies. Pop that in. Yeah, looks like it's already put together down here. Very interesting. So let's continue. Let's pull this baby out of here. Wow. Drop the kickstand. Boom, there you go. Right out of the box. %90 of the bikes that you get, this is the way they're going to come out. So I want to show you guys real quick. Lever screw. Always make sure before you put this up and you lock this handlebar here, always make sure this screw's very tight. I mean really tight, because this is what is holding the fork together. Okay, so push that like that. Make sure that's nice and tight. Straight, get your handlebars up. Just slide this baby right into here. That you got to be careful is when you close this, okay? See how I close that? That should be hard to close. So what you do is you see this bolt right here, turn that a couple of times, and then push this baby like that. Now that was tight. These handlebars are not going to come loose because that's what's holding the handlebars in. This is what's keeping the handlebars straight up, but that's what's holding it in. So there you go. You jump on the bike like this. You see that that's nice and straight. Wheels nice and straight. Handlebars are nice and straight. This is crooked to the left, but that's the way that's meant like that. So when you fold the handlebars down, but very simple. God, this is probably one of the easiest bikes that I got and put together out of the box. Took me 3 minutes to put this baby together. So there you go. That's out of the box. Let's see what else is in the box. How about that? Rattan. A little toolbox. And here's your seat. Very simple. Same thing with this. Make sure this thing is very tight when you're putting this thing in. And these just slide right down. Right about there. You don't want to get it down below this tube here. You see that? It's very tight, so I'm going to go ahead and loosen this. This little bolt right here. There you go. That's nice and tight. Same thing goes here. This is where you're folding the bike, right? So make sure when you're closing this, that's tapped. You got to go like this. This goes in here. Yeah, and that closes. Whatever I'm doing there. Lock step right there. Tighten that baby down. You got to go through anywhere you see the hex screws. Take the wrenches out, which I'm going to show you. That's probably in that bag. Anywhere you see that screw, whether it's over here, it's over there, down here, wherever you see, even these screws right here. Looks like this screw is missing. See? That screw is missing right there. Always double check. These things are very simple. Your thing just pops out like that. Normally the pedals come, you have to screw them in, but this one didn't, so there you go. Wow, the Rattan LM750, guys. It's very nice. Garbage. Oh, there we go. We all know what this is. Boy, I didn't need that at all today, did I? Let's see what we got. Okay. It's a little power supply. Backrest. It's going to go on the back where that brake light is over there. The battery in there. We got to remove the seat. See what happens when you lock the battery. This little safety gizmo comes out. You slide it out. There's your battery. Make sure it's on the track. Make sure that thing is seated properly. Close that handle. Really touch it. Just got to push this baby in and the key. Make sure that thing is in the on position. And when you're done, you lock this thing. You turn it off. Pull the key out. It's on right now. So I'm going to leave it there for now. Take your seat back. Put the seat back in. There you go, guys. The Rattan LM750. Look at that beautiful bike. It took me 3 minutes to put that thing out of the box. Folded it, straightened it out, put the handlebars on. Very cool. Make sure that sock is on. Tighten, cover up those cables. Got a cool little headlight there. Got a kickstand with the stand there. So here's your rear seat, and this goes in here. Just slides right in there. You put those two screws on, and I'm going to go ahead and leave that off for now. I'm going to do this test drive in here and just kind of leave this in here for now. Before you go for a test ride on this thing, you want to make sure tight, right? Pedals, mid-drift, make sure that's tight. Make sure this is tight. Make sure this is tight right here. I'll tell you what, I love that seat is going up and down. I didn't realize that. You got your shocks over here. You got your disc brakes, left disc brake, right disc brake. You got your Shimano 7-speed. You go 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got your on and off button right here. Left brake, right brake. Hold it down for a couple of seconds. Power, your LCD comes on. Whoa, boy, you look at that. You got a full battery. That usually comes about 70%, but this battery came fully charged. So your odometer down here, you can have how many watts you're using right there, sorry. And then you have your pedal assist, which is this minus and plus button right here. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, it's that button right there. Now a little bit. Now I'm moving pretty. This is in pedal assist number 1 right now, and this thing, holy smokes! This is a 750 watt motor, so you can see the wattage right there. I don't know if you guys can see that wattage in the screen. It's telling me that I'm moving about 400 watts right now. This, holy smokes, this thing is moving pretty quick for pedal assist number 1. Ho, ho, ho. When I'm in pedal assist number 1 on my other bikes, I can barely pedal. This thing's moving quite fast at 15 miles an hour in pedal assist number 1. And it's doing about 306 watts. So I'm not sure if you guys can see that screen there. Pretty self-explanatory. Very nice. The shocks are good. The seat is even moving up and down. Wow. I'm going over bumps because I want to see what it feels like, but this thing feels pretty good. And I'm doing number 1, so this is very interesting. Let's put it up to number 2. Oh boy. Number 2 feels like I'm on number 4 on my other bike. I'm not going to say which one, but holy smokes. This thing is cooking. Wow. Brakes are working really good. I got the back brake, got the front brake. This is the gears over here. Let's bring them down. I'm in 7 right. I'm going to bring this down to 0 actually. I got it in 0 and I'm going to pedal. It's still hard to pedal when you don't have the motor running, but I'm bringing this down to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this thing's in 1. And basically what that means is, see, when I'm pedaling, I'm in number 1, I got the motor off. I'm pedaling pretty good. I mean, you're not going to break any land speed records, but I'm getting 5 miles an hour and I'm pedaling pretty good. So a lot of these e-bikes understand, if the motor is off and you're in 0, you can pedal. You see me pedaling? I'm going about 5 miles an hour and I'm pedaling, but I'm in number 1 on the gear, which means the light means you're spinning pretty good. If I bring this up to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's kind of like pedaling at an exercise bike in the gym. It's good exercise for you. Like I said, bring this thing down to number 1 or 2, and then pedal. You can pedal good. I mean, you get going like a regular bike. You're not, like I said, you're not going fast, but it's good exercise. So meanwhile, while I got this in number 7, let me hit my pedal assist button up number 1, and she's moving. Wow, I am very, very impressed. But then again, this is a 750 watt motor. The one I have on the e-bike that I have now is a 500 watt motor. And according to this, I'm going 256 watts that I'm using on my motor right now, but I'm in pedal assist number 1. And I'm gonna be telling you, and I'm honest with you, there is no reason that I need to be above pedal assist number 1 on this bike. This Rattan model I'm very impressed. Not just saying that, because you guys hear me in my bikes. As advertised, this bike is doing exactly what it does. Not only was it the easiest bike for me to pull out of a box and set up, but the speed, the comfort is very nice. The wheels are good. The brakes, look at that, boom, just unbelievable. By Rattan, 750 watt motor. Another great review this with Starboard valve. Check out the channel. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, like, comment. Don't forget to put a comment on there. Let me know what e-bike you're cruising around with, or if you have one of these, what you think about it. So the LM 750 by Rattan. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Check out my next video coming up soon. Have a great day.